Plumbing jobs come in all shapes and sizes, so flexibility and versatility is key when it comes to your choice of tools. The Oatey MODA supply box system provides infinite solutions to supply box setup problems, making it the perfect addition to your setup and install arsenal. Today, we're taking a look at how this state-of-the-art product combines all the best parts of conventional supply boxes into one state-of-the-art multifunctional system. The Oatey MODA box's modular design and hammer-no-hammer connection options make it adaptable and flexible. Whether you're working with residential equipment like washing machines, dishwashers, ice makers, or industrial kitchens and air admittance valves, the MODA box can be configured to fit the job. Exclusive features of the MODA box system include a drain box that comes with an emergency drain port for leak detection and quick repairs. The supply connections feature a tool-free quarter-turn test plug, while the valves are designed to swivel, preventing supply line kinks and leaks. Order your Oatey MODA box with fast shipping today from Supplyhouse.com, and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.